Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor from computerfever.com. Friends, as you know, we are learning making buttons in Bootstrap. And in this video, I will tell you that how can we make button group basic example. All these buttons are separate. These buttons are not in a group, and these buttons, drop down buttons, split button drop downs are also not in a group. But now I will make a group of buttons, and I will tell you that how can you also make a group of buttons. So I go to my notepad++ and I will delete all this data first. Control S to save. Now I go to my Chrome browser and refresh the page. So now you are watching that this our browser page is totally empty. Now once again I go here. Now I make the h1 tag. I have made this h1 tag. And here I write the heading button group basic example, and under it I make a div and I close that div down. I give it a class is equal to double quotes btn/group. It is also the default built-in class of Bootstrap. I make one button tag, button space class is equal to btn space btn dash default. Here I write default. I remove it because I am to write here. Now I will duplicate it. I will write here primary and also write here primary. So I will also change its name success and paste it here also. Info and paste it here. I also change its name warning and write here warning also. Danger, I will copy it and paste it here also. Danger. Now I will go to my Chrome browser and refresh the page. So friends, you are watching that all these buttons are in a group. They are not separate. This is the default button, this is primary button, and success, info, warning, and danger button. So in this way you can make a basic group of buttons. So now I come back to my Notepad++ code editor, and now I will make the second one. I make h1 tag first, and here I write button group toolbar, not toolbar. Actually it is the one L, not the double L. Now I make one div and close it down. And here I give a class to this div, btn/toolbar. I show you, I scroll it up above. Here too I made this div, it is closing here, and I gave it a class btn/group because it was the button group basic example. And now I have given, once again I have made this div and I have given a class btn-toolbar in spite of group. I make one more div under it, and inside this div, and I give it a class also btn-group. Now I make a button tag and close it. I give it a class btn-default, and here I write button 1, and I have duplicated it. Here I change the 2 and 3. So friend, now I will copy all this div, and under it I will paste it one time and the second time. Now I go to my Chrome browser and refresh this page. So friend, you are watching that all these buttons, they are called the button group toolbar in this shape because they are all in default position. As you know, I go to my Notepad++, I did not write here any primary, success, danger, info. I let them remain default. Therefore they all are showing in their default position. If you want to change them, you can change them. Friend, this video has become enough lengthy. Now the remaining work we will do in next video, but before closing this video I would like to tell you that you can see the difference. You are watching that there is a little space, between them, so you will not watch any space inside this above button group basic example. In this group you will not find any space, but in button group toolbar you will find this space between all these buttons. So this, if you want to make this kind of design, then you will use button group toolbar. So now I will meet you in next video.